Hey there, the word for today is shakshuka. What is shakshuka? It is a Mediterranean dish that has been around for centuries, made with eggs lightly poached in a rich and hearty tomato sauce. Not only is this recipe easy and healthy, but it is the perfect dish for a brunch, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let me show you how it's done. For this recipe, you will need red, orange, or yellow bell peppers, a yellow onion, a can of crushed tomatoes, eggs, cilantro, garlic cloves, crushed red pepper, cumin, paprika, and olive oil. You will also need an oven-safe skillet or a cast iron skillet. And now let's preheat our oven to 375, get some oil in our skillet, and let's saute our veggies. We're going to cook the onions and peppers until they're tender, which is about 10 minutes. Now we're going to add about 3/4 of our chopped cilantro, our paprika, our garlic, our crushed red pepper, and our cumin. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and you're just going to cook this all together until it's well combined and the garlic has softened. I'm adding in my tomatoes along with the juice. We're going to reduce our heat to low just so that everything can simmer and the sauce can thicken, which will take about an additional 15 to 20 minutes. And you'll need more salt and pepper. The sauce is simmering, it has thickened some. Now I'm going to make 4 indentions in our skillet with the back of my spoon to place the eggs in each hole. I'm going to crack an egg into each indentation, being careful not to break the yolk. But you do want to take a spatula and run it through the egg white so that it can cook faster. And now it's time to get to baking. We're going to take our skillet, we're going to place it into our oven, and we're going to cook it for an additional 15 to 20 minutes just until the egg whites are set. Our shakshuka is done and ready to be served. If you're going to have it for breakfast, you can serve it with a slice of toast. If you're going to have it for dinner, try it with some warm pita bread. I want to challenge you guys. I know many of you have not heard of this recipe. Try this dish. You're going to love it. If you love eggs, if you love tomatoes, this is the recipe for you. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.